to be the pet spa area. We're going to go to the model. The model is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,066 square feet. As you enter the model, there is a nice closet, lots of space, full-size washer and dryer, GE. The master bedroom with a nice large closet. And the bedroom. With a nice glass shower. Nice spacious pantry or closet. You can remove the shelves or add more shelving if that is so desired. Nice open kitchen. All major appliances, garbage disposal, dishwasher, microwave, stove, and refrigerator. Countertops are quartz and hardwood-like flooring throughout the community, or throughout luxury vinyl plank throughout the apartment home. There is no carpet. Select apartments do have balconies as well. Window treatments are included. Again, we do offer 24-hour emergency maintenance, and we are on site 7 days a week. The second bathroom does have a nice size linen closet as well, and a tub shower. The second bedroom, very spacious, has a nice size closet as well. We do allow pictures to be hung, televisions to be hung, and painting as well. We only request that painting be returned back to white upon lease completion.